Today we will discuss some miscellaneous questions from chapter 1 real numbers standard 8. Today I am not going to solve the questions but help you to solve the questions yourself. First question is find the largest number which divides 70 and 125, leaving remainder 5 and 8 respectively. Now, first of all, recall two terms, SCF and LCM. SCF is also known as GCD. Full form of SCF is highest common factor, or GCD greatest common divisor, and LCM is lowest common multiple. Now here when 70 is divided by the required number, we have the remainder 5. That means 70 minus 5, if we subtract 5 from 70, this 65. 65 is exactly divisible by the number. And 125 minus 8, this is exactly divisible by the number. So in this case, subtract 75 from 70 and 8 from 125, and thereafter find the SCF of the number so obtained. Okay, why you have to find the SCF, not the LCM? Because you have to find the number which divides these two, and I have already told you that this is the greatest common divisor or the highest common factor. Therefore you have to find the SCF here. Now second question, 3 alarm clocks ring at intervals of 4, 12 and 20 minutes respectively. If they start ringing together, after how much time will they next ring together? Now we have to find the time which is divisible by each of 4, 12 and 20, or we can say that the required time should be the multiple of 4, 12 and 20. This means that we have to find the LCM of 4, 12 and 20, and this will help you to find the required answer. Next question, the length, breadth and height of a room are 8 meter 50 centimeter, 6 meter 25 centimeter and 4 meter 75 centimeter respectively. Find the length of the longest rod that can measure the dimensions of the room exactly. Now we have to find the length of the longest rod which can measure length, breadth and height exactly. This means that the required length divides the length, breadth and height exactly. So first convert 8 meter 50 centimeter into centimeter. It will be equal to 850 centimeter. 6 meter 25 centimeter is equal to 625 centimeter, and 4 meter 75 centimeter is equal to 475 centimeter. After converting them in centimeter, find their SCF. That will be the required length of the rod. Next question is, so that one and only one out of n, n plus 1 and n plus 2 is divisible by 3 where n is any positive integer. Now the question says that 1 out of n, n plus 1 and n plus 2 is divisible by 3 and only 1 is divisible by 3. There are two terms, 1 and only 1. Let a be any positive integer and we assume that a is equal to suppose 3q plus r, and where r is greater than equal to 0, less than 3. Now possible forms of A are 3q, 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Now suppose n is equal to 3q. Here you can write n. Suppose n is equal to 3q. Now we have n plus 1 and n plus 2. N is 3q, 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. Here you can see that 3q, this is the multiple of 3, it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. And 3q plus 1 is not divisible by 3. You can't take 3 common here. And also this is not divisible by 3. So in first form, when n is equal to 3q, n is divisible by 3, but n plus 1 and n plus 2 is not divisible by, both are not divisible by 3. Again, let n is equal to 3q plus 1. You have to discuss all the three cases, 3q, 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. N is equal to 3q plus 1. N plus 1 is 3q plus 1 plus 1, 3q plus 2. And n plus 2, 3q plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3q plus 3. Here 3 is common, q plus 1. This divisible by 3, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 3. And last form is, let n is equal to 3q plus 2. N is 3q plus 2. N plus 1 is 3q plus 2 plus 1 is 3q plus 3. Taking 3 common, 3 into q plus 1. And n plus 2 is 3q plus 2 plus 2, 3q plus 4. You can see that this is not divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. This is not divisible by 3. So you can show that 1 and only 1. Here 1 is divisible by 3 and only 1 is divisible by 3. Here also n plus 1 and n plus 2, where n is equal to 3q plus 1. If n is in the form of 3q plus 1, then n plus 2 is divisible by 3, but n and n plus 1 are not divisible by 3. And if n is of the form 3q plus 2, then n plus 1 is divisible by 3, but n and n plus 2 are not divisible by 3. So you have to discuss all these three cases, and I expect that you will solve all these questions in your classwork copy. That's all for today. Thank you.